Recently, we have got an query on our Exceldemy YouTube channel. The query was, to easily track the contact status, can we highlight cells based on a specific date reference in Excel data? The answer is yes. We can use Excel conditional formatting feature to do so. Hello everyone, welcome to Exceldemy. This is Hadi Bashar, and today we'll learn how to highlight date reference in Excel. For this video, I will use Microsoft Excel 365. Let's talk about the dataset. This dataset contains the contact history, and this includes the vendor name with whom the contacts were made. Then in column C, you will find the last date of the contact. Now, to easily distinguish the date difference between today's date and the last date of contact, we want to highlight the cells of the contact date column with multiple colors based on the date difference. If the date difference is between 30 to 45 days, then we'll set the color of the cells as this shade of yellow. On the other hand, if the date difference between today's date and the last date of contact is greater than 45 days, then we will highlight the corresponding cell values in the contact column with this shade of red. To do so, I will apply conditional formatting to the last contact column. So, first of all, let's get the today's date. So, go to cell G4. Type equal today. The today function returns today's date. Press tab to autocomplete the today function and hit enter. And you can see this formula has returned today's date. Now I will calculate the date difference between today's date and the last date of contact. So for the first vendor, to calculate the date difference, go to cell D5, type equal, select the cell G4, press F4 to lock the cell reference, minus, select the last date of contact, that is cell C5, and hit enter. You can see the last contact was made 38 days ago with the first vendor. Similarly, to get all the date difference, you can use the autofill feature. In this way, you will get all the date difference. Now, based on the value of the date difference, I will highlight the associated last date of contact. Select the cells C5 to C10. Then, move to the Home tab. From the Styles section, click on Conditional Formatting. Here you will find different options of conditional formatting. I will create a new rule, so choose the option New Rule. This opens the New Formatting Rule window. Here you will find different options to set your rule. In my case, I will use the option Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the Edit the Rule Description section, in the Format Values where this formula is true field, I will type the formula to highlight the cells with the date difference between 30 to 45 days. So type the formula equal and as a logical one argument of the AND function, I will check if the value of cell D5 is greater than 30. Place a comma. As the logical 2 argument of the AND function, I will check if the value of cell D5 is less than 45. This AND function will search for the cells that contains the date difference between 30 to 45. And I will highlight the associated cells from the selected range of cells with this shade of yellow. To do so, go to the Format option, and this opens the Format Cells window. From the fill color, you will find different options to set as the fill color of the cell. In my case, I will choose this shade of yellow. In the sample field, you can see the sample. Now click on OK to close the Format Cells window. Then click on OK to apply the formatting to the cells. As a result, you can see that the formatting is applied to the cells. And if the date difference is between 30 to 45 days, then the associated contact date is highlighted. Now, to highlight the contact dates where the date difference is greater than 45 days, I will apply the conditional formatting again. So, go to the Home tab. From the Styles section, click on Conditional Formatting and choose the option New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule window, again select the option Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the Format Values field, set the condition equal D5 is greater than 45. If the condition is true, then the corresponding cell in the last date of contact column will be highlighted. Now to set the fill color, go to the Format option, and from the Format Cells window, in the Fill tab, you can choose any color according to your choice. In my case, I'll choose this shade of red. Now click on OK to close the Format Cells window. Finally, click on OK to apply the formatting. As a result, you can see that the cells are formatted accordingly. If the date difference is greater than 45, the corresponding date is filled with the defined color. And if you look at cell D9, you can see the date difference is 4, so the cell D9 doesn't meet any of the two conditions. Hence, the formatting is not applied to the cell C9. And in this way, you can highlight cells based on date difference. I have demonstrated the step-by-step guide for highlighting date difference in Excel. Hopefully, you can apply this knowledge according to your requirements and convenience. You can download the practice workbook from the video description. Feel free to leave any questions, suggestions, or feedback in the comment section below. You can go to exceldemy.com to read our Excel blogs, or you can share your Excel-related issues in our Exceldemy forum and receive free solutions. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.